Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're my doll, baby. Hi, doll, baby. Hi, doll, baby. I don't know. See, anytime I get with this mic, it just takes it to the next level. Anyway, hi, doll, baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So today, I have a wig review, and I'm partnering with a company that I partnered with that I actually love, and that is the Wig Company. Okay, I have a full list of Wig Company wigs that I have reviewed that you can go look at. I have also a guest blogger for the Wig Company, so I have written 3 blogs to date, and I will link those for you down below and also in the eye if I can, which is the information thing. Hyperactive. Okay, this beautiful girl here is Raquel Walsh. Well played. In the color SS Iced Mocha. There is a color comparison, a review, and a wig techniques video up using this wig. Okay? Okay. Today we have one of the statements from the Wig Company. This is their exclusive line, and I really, really love it. Okay. And today we have Impulsive, and this is an average cap. I have her in the color F12/26. I think I did an unbox. I did a live unboxing with these wigs, and the Wig Company joined us to answer any questions, so I will link that as well. I don't remember what this one looked like. This is the last one of that set. Oh, okay, that I am reviewing. I remember now. Yeah. All right, so this is Miss Impulsive, and ooh, I love this color. I love this color. She's just a basic cap wig, no combs in the front, no combs in the back. She does have adjustable Velcro straps and a mesh cap so that it is light and airy and easy breezy. There is some permatease. I can feel that. One of my all-time favorite wigs is from this line, and that is Rock Me. I have her in 2 colors. I wish I had her in more colors. Okay, I love the color on this. Feels good. Alright, so this is what she looks like. There is a lot of permatease, I'm going to tell you that right now. This is what she looks like right out of the box. But you know what I do? I do my magic here. So let me go through and do a little bit. I just want to take down... Let me just see what I can do with her. So let's go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, okay. Okay, so that didn't take long at all. Just to soften it up a little bit, I used my African Essence Wig Control Spray 3-in-1 formula, sprayed it down. I clipped it and used my Revlon Ionic Air Kit on no heat. It's just air. Then I just took a little bit of my Eco Style styling gel, just to sort of bring this one side down and to piece this part out a little bit. So I did take down the permatease, but not completely. And then I just sort of did the front to more of my specifications. And I think she's cute. I love this color. Let's look at her from the back. I don't know why I went down low. Back. Oh yeah, that's really huggy. You know I love it when it hugs the neck. I really think that this is good. I like this one a lot. I absolutely love the color. I just wanted to, like, you know, bring down the sides a little bit so they weren't as poofy, and then really sort of piece out this top part, letting these blonde pieces really, you know, do the trick. And yeah, I think she's super cute. Let me know what you think. Do you have this wig, and what are your thoughts? Like I said, I have a full The Wig Company playlist down below that you can check out. I want to thank The Wig Company because you work with me, I work with you. It's good, okay? I really love their wigs. Ooh, price. I'll put all the deets down below, but I'm pretty sure this one is going to be maybe $89. So I will put that down below. Like, let me do one more thing. I just feel like a headband. I don't know why. I'm just feeling headbandy. Let's try this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my. This is so cute. I almost want to do with the headband like this. This has bendable ear tabs too, if I didn't mention that. Oh yeah, this is too cute. Yeah, I like it with the headband. I think this is really, really cute. Oh yeah. What do you think? Yeah, I like it a lot with the headband, like a lot. I feel like especially because this comes and curves around, it's just like really great for the headband. So that is what I have for you. If you have any of the Statements wigs that you really like, and go ahead and put that down below. I'd like to know. If you have another wig in this color from the Statements line, I'd like to know that too. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. Thanks so much. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.